In this video, I will show you how to clear your Steam download cache. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, clearing your download cache can be quite useful to do from time to time, especially if you're experiencing problems launching Steam or certain apps on Steam. To do this, what you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Then what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and click onto Steam. From this menu that comes up, just come down and click on settings. And what that's going to do is open up your settings window, which is going to look like this. From your settings window, what you want to do now is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto downloads. After clicking onto downloads, you'll be taken to a screen like this. And from here, you want to come down to where it says clear download cache. So you can see that's just here. As you can see, it says clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So to do this, just simply click the clear cache button. And what's going to happen, you're going to get a confirmation message which says this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Of course, at this point, what you want to do is make a note of your login details for Steam, as it is going to log you out, and then just go ahead and click the blue confirm button. Now, once you've done that, it generally takes a couple of minutes to complete, and once it's finished, it's going to automatically open Steam back up, and you'll be able to go ahead and log back into your account. So that is how to clear your Steam download cache. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.